Okay. This is the time set for Richard Motta's potential civil liability issues, discussion, and decision. County attorney.
So one issue is you can close meetings regarding litigation strategy and be detrimental to your strategy, but I don't think you're at that point yet. So
Yeah.
if you may, if any time on anything you feel like such as rising sun, if you guys want to, if you think that would affect your litigation strategy, it'd be detrimental effect, you can close that.
So the issue here is defamation of the commission by the newspaper article that Mr. Motta put in there.
So my letter to him, one thing I said to him is if there's any more regarding the secret meetings or whatever, then you would act. And so it's ultimately you guys' decision, but I would say my thought is if he agrees not to put more information or continue that dialogue on secret meetings and not bring litigation.
Well, there was a couple issues. One is that, it's an opinion page, okay? And everybody has a right to their opinion, but when you make accusations that, secret meetings and contracts that, whatever, I don't have the wording, but I can get it. You could footnote that with, this is why I know that's true, or make reference to a secret meeting that occurred, but just to blatantly, come after my reputation and the reputation of the other county commissioners, as far as I'm concerned, I think we ought to take action. Now, I do respect your letter and, your opinion that maybe saying, oh, this is it, this is the last time I'm going to do it again. And, you're on notice not to. Doesn't mean you can't write opinions, it just means that you better be accurate about what you're saying.
Mm-hmm. Tom only called me and said, yeah, he's going to require citations for any type of allegations like that.
Yeah. What do you guys think?
I believe that very true. I mean, if there's going to be something written about our conducting business and doing what we do, it better be true and not fictitious or blatant lies.
I agree. I heard of it.
So how do you feel about, Scott, the letter of warning basically that the county attorney wrote?
And he got the letter, right?
Well, I originally emailed it to him. Dick said he didn't get that, but I did then forward it again, and that one was received.
So you did get the letter?
Second time.
And from now on, I'll send emails to Dick and Elena when I send emails. That way that Dick can get them. That's what you requested, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Because when we did get the second one, it was after it appeared in the newspaper, so that was what the problem was, kind of.
Well, I think the effect is pretty horrific. People have to be able to trust their government. Even when we made mistakes, and we've done it in the open. We've never lied about it or hidden it, or and I think that people know if they come up here, we may not always agree with what they want, but we'll always listen to them. And if they don't have that trust, I think it's hard on the whole county. And so I appreciate you sending the letter. I hope, I want to hear from the other commissioners what you guys think from this point. How do you want to move forward?
Tough decision. I mean, I don't want to see it happen again. ever again. Everybody has that right to express their opinion, but
Make sure it's the right one.
make sure it's right. That's right.
So are you
Correct.
asking whether we should push it more or just give them that warning? Is that what you're kind of
Yeah, I mean,
asking?
I think county attorney's
Right.
laid out and what he's recommended, yeah. So,
Follow the county attorney's advice at this point.
okay, is that a motion?
That I could form that as a motion.
Okay. And the county attorney's advice is the letter and.
Say it, yeah, but you s-
So the, yeah, no litigation would be brought at this time, but if you believe further defaming articles or other statements are made, that you would bring litigation at that time.
And we could, this is a question, could we use this information, what happened this time, if there's another incident and say, this is not the first time?
Yeah,
I guess
the
that's-
statute of limitations, you know, in civil cases.
Is
So,
what, how long?
So, I need to research that real, on,
So is it?
negligence with property with damages, it's generally 2 years.
Okay.
But, I mean,
But this could be evidence of another case, couldn't it? Even though the statute's wrong? I mean, because we have a witness, we subpoenaed the paper.
yeah, yeah, it'd be evidence, yeah. So, yeah, I just mean the claim.
I understand, I just,
Yeah.
yeah.
So with a motion on the floor, you want to just, something else happens?
Yeah. Do you want to read the motion, Mike? Please.
Commissioner Bonnie moved to follow the county attorney's advice and not seek legal action unless it happens again.
Is there a second, or do you want to amend the motion, Scott?
Yeah, I'm still
Okay.
I think there was a comment too.
Huh?
I think there was a comment too.
Well, but we're waiting.
Yeah, okay.
This is discussion between the commission.
There isn't gonna be some way that it would just get kicked around and keep doing this. Seems like, you know, is there,
What do you mean?
like, articles and that, accusing us of all this stuff?
Well,
I
Tom
mean,
Mullen
we're
said he
gonna-
wouldn't publish anything without citations. But, yeah,
Well, I think that was again, I'm just guessing, but I think I know how you guys are gonna act. I'll tell you how I'm gonna act. I think we move forward with legal action against Mr. Motta, period. No question.
No question.
Yeah, I might do it personally, which I can do. If you guys don't go along with it, I'll do
I'd
it
go along,
myself.
I'd go along with that.
You want to second the motion, or are you?
I was waiting for him to
Yeah.
make sure that they
Okay.
didn't want to second something until he.
it would be at least a 2-year.
So you go back to it? Sure.
Yeah, that's
Yes, he was second. fit, there is not. Sick of it. Very stressed.
Well, they can write, write their opinion, they just can't defame us.
No, not even that. Stop sign starts.
Yep. Pretty cool, he's got a whole law library in his hand on his phone, it's pretty neat.
Can I get a copy of the recommendations there?
Recommendation of what?
Didn't he provide you with some
No.
recommendations?
I never got one.
It's all verbal?
No,
Hmm?
no, he did not.
This was on the county health.
Pardon?
This on county health. This was-
Yeah, I didn't, there was nothing in writing.
Yeah. I thought he'd given you a piece of paper.
Two years, MCA 272204.
Okay, 2 years, that's what you said.
I'll second it.
Okay, does everybody understand the motion? Is there any comment on the motion?
You don't like to read that?
Go ahead.
Okay, just point of clarification. So you passed a resolution just now, and the resolution was basically, if Mr. Motta does it again.
No, we did not pass a resolution.
Okay, what was the
There's
resolution?
there's no resolution.
Just a motion,
There's a motion on the floor, it's not passed yet,
okay?
to the, we're going to accept the county attorney's recommendations that he put in a formal letter to Mr. Motta,
Okay,
and if it happens again, we're going to discuss it again, but clearly, I would feel that we would go ahead with legal action against Mr. Motta.
and Blaine, didn't you say before that you wouldn't recommend litigation? I thought you said that you wouldn't recommend
Yeah,
litigation.
since my letter said, any more accusations on the secret meetings, then they would bring, so that basically, it's, my recommendation is following what my letter said.
Okay,
And that, if there's any more on
Any
that
further?
issue, yeah. That, that's really the issue I took with your letters, the editor, with it saying there were secret meetings. I think that, I don't agree with that.
okay.
You know,
Well, there was another issue about contracts, but I don't want to muddy the waters. There's a
Yeah.
motion on the floor to agree the commission to follow the recommendations of the county attorney and not seek legal action at this time.
Okay, for the record, again, it is in the opinion column, so therefore it is an opinion, okay? And Tom Mullen also in that same paper, as we see it, said that he put the letters in from Mr. Motta because he did cite the Montana codes annotated. And for the record, if you do file litigation, the burden of proof is going to be on you. And that's why I've been here recording. And I've also recorded a very interesting airport meeting. Very interesting one.
Okay, well, what, that's her comment, that's fine. So, any further comments from the commission on the motion? All in favor of the motion, say aye.
Aye.
I'm gonna oppose the motion, not because I don't respect the county attorney's opinion, I appreciate it, but I wanna go on record saying I feel like that we should take legal action, but I'll respect the decision of the commission, but not next time. That's my comment. So I oppose, the motion carries. Okay, thank you, Blaine.
Thank you, Blaine.
Oh, I could wait until public comment, but since we're talking about warnings,
No,
I-
we should wait till the public comment then. We should wait till the public comment.
well, I'm waiting for a letter from you guys warning me as the FMAC member. I'm still waiting for it.
I don't think there is anything. It's a letter.
Did you guys, make a motion to warn her on the comment?
No,
No.
there won't be a, I don't think there's a letter coming
Okay, so then I haven't been warned. Thank you.
in. Didn't you have a conversation with the chairman, though, separate from us?
No, I have not.
Okay.
I don't even know what members wanted me removed. So that's kind of was behind my back, wasn't it? For the record.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yeah. The meeting's convened.
Well,
Yeah, we're waiting for next agenda item at 10 o'clock.
Okay.
thank you.